We're proud to show off the easiest, fastest, and most reliable way to send your emails to PracticePanther. We highly recommend this method of MailSync over LabelSync. So the first step is to go into either a contact or a matter, and you're going to click on the Activities tab and click the MailSync button over here. This will give you a unique email address that you will use to BCC the emails to PracticePanther. Now this is a special email just for this matter, and if you BCC this email address, that email will go into this matter. How do I know? It says matter in the front. If I want the email to go into the contact and not the matter, I'd go into the contact only. I'd go to Activities and click MailSync, and it would show me another email just for the contact, for this specific contact. Now, the cool thing is that if you sync your contacts over to Google or Gmail or Exchange or Outlook, you will have all of these special unique email addresses for every single contact already in your address book, so you won't need to find them here. If you don't sync your contacts, you can just click the vCard button, which will download the vCard, which you can open up into Outlook or your email program, and it will save it as well. So I'm going to show you how this works. Let's take Leslie Miranda, for example. I'll go into my email, I'll compose an email, and I'll send it to Leslie. Let's say this is Leslie. Now, I'm also going to BCC the email. Every time I email my customer, I'm going to BCC, and I'm going to take this email address, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to BCC Leslie, this email address. And I'm going to write testing MailSync. So what this does is I'm emailing the customer and I'm BCCing PracticePanther, but this special email that will go into Leslie's matter. Now, if I would have synced my contacts, which I did actually, I can type in Leslie and it will show me the contact email for Leslie and her regular personal email and also the matter email, but it's already here. So that's the cool thing about syncing your contacts. All right, so let's send this email right now. So now I'm going to go back to PracticePanther, and the email is going to be here in my Activities tab within 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes it could take longer, so definitely be patient, but it will show up here in a few hours. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it shows up. All right, so I'm refreshing it now, and here we go. In the Activities, here's the email that I just sent. It will tell you the date and time it was sent. I could even go into the email to see exactly what was sent and all the information about the email. Now, the cool thing is, let me go back and show you, I could even bill for this email. All I need to do is hover over this and click the log time button, which will open up a time entry, and I could say I spent an hour on this email and I billed them $500 for it, and now I have billed for this email. Now, here's a neat trick. How do I know if I've billed for all these emails that I've received? So what I need to do is go to Choose Columns on the right, and I'm going to add a column called Time Logged. This is going to show me if time was logged for every single email, task, event, or activity in the software. And if it was, it will show that 1 hour was logged. Also, every single email is completely searchable from the top left of the software. So if you need to run a conflict check, it will also search through all the emails BCC to PracticePanther. Now, PracticePanther will only accept emails into the software from your email address that you have on file. So if you're going to be sending emails from other accounts and other email addresses in, what you want to do is go to your settings, scroll down to email integration, and you want to add any other email address that you're using to BCC emails into PracticePanther. This is pretty much like the list of approved senders, and then click Save when you're done. And that's MailSync.